Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today is the final part of this delivery, which is issue 28 of Build the Titanic, the ship, the legend by Hachette Partworks. Okay, so we are doing the opposite side of the engine now, so let me show you the parts. So let's flick to the back. So we did the left side last time, so today we're doing the right side. So we're going to connect these parts together just like that, nice, quick and easy and simple that. And then we're just going to do exactly the same as what we did, line them up in that order. So the order is R5, R6, R7 and R8. They're all getting put together like that. And then we don't do anything else with that. Once we've screwed them down, we don't do anything else. This one looks like it might be another short and sweet video, this one. So yeah, if you haven't picked this up for yourself, do make sure you do check it out at buildthetitanic.com or hachettepartworks.com. So without further ado, let's crack the parts out of the packaging and start building. Alright, so again, we're going to start with these parts here. So we're going to take one of these with that hook facing that way. We're going to take one of these and we're going to hook it on. So we're going to hook it onto the bottom, just like that. So we're going to do that with all of these. That's number 2, number 3, and final one, number 4. So you should have them all like that. Alright, now we're going to do what we did last time and attach these all onto here. So let's lay that down. So let's get R5, put R5 on, take our screw and secure this down. This one's R5, remember? That one. The next one is R6. It does say it in the centre of the part if you're looking for it, just down into there. That one. Next one's R7. That one. Final one now, R8, which is getting lowered down onto there. Let's get this secured in. And there we are. So with that, that is this issue all complete. So that's what you should have so far for your engines. That's what we've built this issue. And if we bring in what we built last issue, which is that, and all of that. There you are guys, that is issue 28 all complete, and that is this delivery complete as well. Nice simple delivery, that one, nothing too difficult to do. I'm sure when we connect that up again in probably the next delivery, we might struggle a little bit with that, but yeah, we'll deal with that when it comes. It wasn't too bad doing it the first time, so we'll just try and mirror what we did the first time. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.